Sagittarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for February 2021. We will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle decks. This is a Mystic Moon oracle deck for your love message, and Celtic Lenormand for messages from the universe. Let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of January 2021, stepping into February, we have the Knight of Pentacles. This is the energy which you're carrying forward. Possibly you felt that things were static or there was no progress in any which way. I think mostly status quo was being maintained. You had your way using guile or by being tactful. Sometimes you may have also been forced to react because you were being provoked. For some Sagittarius, I'm also feeling that you may have had to deal with some upsetting piece of news. By the way, those who are spiritually inclined, I think you had received positive messages from the universe. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Seven of Cups. Certainly there are choices before you and you have to make those choices in case you want to proceed. I'm also picking up that there could be nostalgia over here because this lady is in a reflective mode and she's looking up towards the sky. Maybe you're looking for spiritual guidance as well. Another thing, I think boredom could be there with respect to your work or with your profession. Maybe you want to move to another place or you are looking for better job opportunities. Personally, I think Sagittarians, you should avoid meddlesome behavior. Maybe you could also be emotional because there are restrictions imposed upon you. Maybe there are limitations that you have to maneuver. Another thing, I think Sagittarians should be quite sensitive to criticism. So avoid misunderstandings of any kind. Perhaps you should ignore the unkind remarks and carry on with life. Influences for the month for Sagittarius, we have the High Priestess. Certainly, it's a spiritual month for you because I'm picking up that you're going to get guidance or intuitive messages. Many of you may find yourself being called upon to help other people. Possibly you may also feel as though that it's always you who has to come to the rescue, but people are not going to express gratitude for the kind deeds that you do. Nonetheless, I think Sagittarians, you should carry on because you are a generous being and the universe will certainly reward you. Also, I think while dealing with people, I think you could help if you were more gentle with your words. Maybe you could put your point across in a gentle manner. Certainly, there will be opportunities which will arise thanks to recommendations, so be patient. Nonetheless, I think Sagittarians, I think you should also clear the air about money or for services that you provide. Possibly it would be better to take an advance and then move forward. Sometimes, you may be coming across as being avaricious or greedy. Maybe you're demanding too much from clients. That is why they may feel that you need to make some allowances. Pressure of work could also increase. Maybe sometimes you may feel as though that you are under pressure to carry on or to complete a lot of tasks, or the boss is saddling you with more and more responsibilities. The first 10 days of February, we have the Four of Wands. You will be concerned about your home life in this period. I think your charisma will also be at its peak in this time. Maybe there will be home improvements as well. On the work front, I think Sagittarians, you'll push yourself and complete a lot of tasks. You are very purposeful in this period and this is definitely helping you. Your boss could also be impressed with the output and your ability to get ahead of the pack. Maybe your co-workers are simply aping you or they're simply following your ideas and you are perturbed because of this. Maybe you think that they are envious colleagues as well. Nonetheless, I think Sagittarians, you should take heart from the fact that your superior knows that you are quite innovative. Some of you are also picking up that I think you should be more punctual. Maybe you could be accused by colleagues of being tardy. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think work will definitely increase and you're under pressure. Possibly your unruly junior could also irk you a bit. Maybe he doesn't follow your instructions. Paperwork or technical work will also increase in this period. Towards the next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th Feb, we have the Devil card. Opportunities are going to be there, no doubt. You have to capitalize on these opportunities. You should make hay while the sun shines. Deals will be inked very quickly, and you will also be glad as you receive payment in advance. Sometimes, you may also feel if you should have quoted a higher price, or you could have bargained and got more than you had quoted. Nonetheless, I think you should be satisfied or happy with whatever comes into your way. Also, I think Sagittarians, you shouldn't be affected by what's going around you. Sometimes, you'll be very generous, or you'll be very philosophical as well. Maybe you think that people are two-faced around you. So because of the miscommunication or the misunderstandings that are there, maybe your angry reactions are also uncalled for. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you should not let your poise desert you in this period. Towards the final days that is towards 21st to 28th February, we have the card Strength. You can expect your dues. There'll be surprises in store for you in this period. I'm also picking up that gains are there, but then you could also have to deal with minor irritants. Sometimes, you have to deal with those clients who want to extract more than their pound of flesh, but they don't want to be generous or open-handed for your services. Maybe you're going to blame them for not paying up. Still, I think in this period, you'll be quite productive and you will complete a lot of tasks, even though there's the stress or the pressure of the work. Ideally, I think archers, you should also collaborate with others. Maybe you should listen to the point of view. Have a cooperative approach, though you may insist that your way is the right way in the entire period or in the entire month. Delays will be there on account of malfunctioning gadgets, or maybe you don't have the equipment at your disposal to carry on with the task, or possibly sometimes poor net connectivity could also be a factor hindering your progress. Nevertheless, I think Sagittarians in personal relationships also, I think you'll be someone who will be giving good advice to people. Maybe you're very patient with them because you weigh the pros and cons and then you deliberate and come to conclusions when you're advising them, while there are other people around you who could be just rushing headlong and carrying on. Those who are at the helm of affairs, like I said, that you may be a bit flustered because employees don't follow instructions, or maybe you're being called upon to review the task, so you think that work is increasing. By the way, I think the management could also put pressure on you to increase the workload of your juniors. This period, if you are dealing with the officials, government officials, I think you could make headway. Maybe they will oblige you. With respect to your love life, we have the card, even though I don't show it, I'm sorry for how things went between us. Possibly there's a feeling of regret or remorse in this card because it seems like that you're regretting over your past actions, or someone whom you're dealing with respect to your feelings and emotions. I think that person could also be having these kinds of thoughts and feelings. Certainly you will have your fair share of secret admirers this month. Even your acquaintances could introduce you to somebody. Maybe you have feelings for someone who is from another community or a social background, but then you're also a bit tentative because you feel that these limitations could come into play later on. I think you should follow your heart and carry on or proceed rather than have regrets. You cannot wish away those feelings that you have. Besides, I think Sagittarians, you could also find yourself tongue-tied. You don't know how to express yourself. Sometimes, in case you're in a romantic connection, you may feel as though it's always you who is taking the initiative, that you're coming across as very persuasive. There'll be lovers tiff, no doubt. Maybe you could ignore each other's phone call because, like I said, you may be the one who's always calling up or who's always wanting to initiate the conversation. So sometimes you may feel that you need to withdraw from the connection, or you may need to take a back seat because you want more love and affection from your partner. Interestingly, when your person does call, then there'll be a flurry of messages, or he could even go overboard complimenting you for your looks or for your grace and beauty. I think your partner sees you as one who is in control of your life. Maybe you're also going to discuss about the future of the relationship. You want to settle down. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be obstacles in your love life. Maybe the family members are not kindly disposed towards your love interest. Maybe they want you to detach from this connection. Married Sagittarians, I think you could be exasperated as your spouse conceals things from you. Possibly you wish that he was more open, or he could discuss what's bothering him. Sometimes his fluctuating moods could also affect you. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be dealing with suspicion in the relationship, or infidelity could also be discussed. Interestingly, your spouse could be apologetic as he realizes that whatever he may say or do, he needs you. Sometimes you feel as though you are being neglected, or as long as your spouse's needs are met, he is completely fine. Otherwise, he is always touchy. So this card clearly states the same. He regrets, or he has regrets over his actions. Those who are in an extramarital relationship, I think you will be quite perplexed because your person could talk vaguely. Nonetheless, I think you'll have good discussions with your partner this month. From Celtic Lenormand, we have the card partnership or ring. So certainly you're looking for commitment in a relationship, or even there'll be contractual agreements between you and your business associates, or you may be collaborating with each other. Like I said, you need to cooperate with other people to make progress or to advance in your career. Another card we have here is Sun. Certainly Sagittarians, you'll find yourself in the spotlight. I think you'll be the center of attention, no doubt. I think people will notice you. The Sun also talks about being in a position of authority. So you're in an authoritative position this month. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you should keep a cool head and plan about your future. I hope Sagittarians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.